welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be in my kitchen. Yes, today we are going to make a very simple recipe, and that is spaghetti. Yes, so straight to the ingredients. Here we have spaghetti as the major ingredient that we are using, and then we have salt, we have butter, we have oil, we have dania. Yes, and then now here I had already put water, but we are supposed to put spaghetti. We are going to give the water some few minutes till it boils so that we can add our spaghetti. So I'm going to light the gas on. So first things first, after you have put on your gas on, you give it some time. We are going to give the water some time until it boils up. It boils vizuri kabisa. That is when we will be able to add our spaghetti. Guys, remember to subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel. Guys, let us check if our spaghetti are ready. Yes. So guys, as you can see, our spaghettis are well done. They're okay, ziko moja moja. The results of getting spaghettis hivi moja moja ni juu I gave the water enough time to boil. When you give it just enough time to boil vizuri, you will get that your spaghettis will be moja moja. Now we are going to the next step. So let me go to the next step. I'll switch off my gas and then I hold this and then tutaweka hivi. Guys, mimi niko na hii ni yangu ya kudrain ya maji, ni ya plastic. Najua wengine wanapenda zile za chuma. My plastics works well with me. Naona hivi. So I'm draining the water. So kenye ndafanya nitaipeleka kwa sink. Ni switch off, niweke maji baridi. So that maji baridi ukifanya hivi pia hiyo inasaidia zisishikane sana. So ukifanya hivi inasaidia pia zikuwe moja moja vizuri zaidi. Nisikuje nikapata mnapika spaghetti zenye zimeshikana shikana. Inafaa unaweka hivyo maji. So ukifungulia hivyo maji, basi unaona venye ziko zinakaa moja moja. Yes, so we are going to drain. We are just going to drain hivyo. And I take my spaghettis. So yes baby, yes baby. Okay, so I'm going to switch off my gas. Sasa guys, now this is where the secret comes in. Nikikuonesha hii no mtu akuje kwako mpike hivi spaghetti, trust me, watakuwa tu kikurudi wakikwambia please tupikie spaghetti, please tupikie spaghetti. So let us give it some time it dry. As we are giving it some time, mimi nitakata hapa dania. Nitakata dania. Those are done. I'm going just to use a little oil, little like that, little. I've said little. And then this is butter, but this is not a must. You can use butter, you can use margarine. With me, I don't usually take margarine, so napata natumia butter. So butter inataka tu kidogo. So ukishaweka hivyo butter, you come and by the spaghetti nataka unatumia mwiko kama ya ugali. So when my butter is ready na nimeka oil, I'll put this. This is dania. So when I put dania, I'll put a little salt because ile ingine yenye iliboil nayo ilitoka venye tulikuwa tunaieka maji. Bata kadogo tena. Butter too, it's giving it a good flavor. Ukitry utaniambia, hii nimwambia hii ndo ina make all the difference. Now we are going to take our spaghetti and add. Guys, just try this. If you have been cooking spaghetti at home, now jaribu this, just try it and tell me. You'll tell me the difference on the comment section. And then mjaribu and then you come and tell me venye mona spaghetti zimekuwa zenyu. You will love it. You will love it. I'm telling you, the aroma that is coming out, very nice. Very nice. And as you can see, ziko moja moja. Najua mtaona moja moja vizuri. Acha nichanganye. Nitaonesha hata kwa kuserve, mtaona venye ziko moja moja. So we give it some few time and then that will be ready. The time has reached ya msema kweli, and this is now the spaghetti. Guys, can you notice hata zikuwa zimekatwa? These are full. So that is why it is nice not to cut them. Naziacha tu full so that even it can be nice for that is how my spaghetti are looking. Yes, that is how this is now our end product. As you can see, it is very easy. So ni nini itafanya usijaribu such a recipe in your home? You don't have a reason, and Tracy has showed you step by step and how to get tasty spaghetti. Not only spaghetti, how to get tasty spaghetti. Guys, remember to subscribe, like, and share on our YouTube channel. And the returning subscribers, we say thank you very much. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for watching. We don't take you guys for granted. Be blessed. Bye-bye.